Welcome back to And Then There Was Style, your YouTube home decor channel. In this video, let's take a look at some of the major design styles for 2024. Modern farmhouse home decor blends contemporary design with rustic charm. Neutral tones, exposed beams, and shiplap walls create a warm atmosphere. The style incorporates antique finds with sleek furniture, achieving a perfect balance of nostalgia while still remaining modern. Reclaimed materials and a cozy ambiance make modern farmhouse decor a timeless and inviting choice for a comfortable and stylish home. Mid-century modern home decor reflects the design style of the mid-20th century, featuring clean lines, organic shapes, and a mix of materials like wood and metal. Characterized by sleek furniture, geometric patterns, and bold colors, this style creates a timeless and sophisticated atmosphere. Mid-century modern design values simplicity and functionality, offering a harmonious blend of form and function that brings a touch of retro elegance to contemporary homes. French country home decor radiates rustic elegance with just a touch of charm. Soft, muted colors like pastels and earthy tones create a warm and inviting atmosphere. Distressed wood furniture, floral patterns, and very elegant and feminine fabrics are key. It evokes a sense of timeless simplicity. This style captures the rustic beauty of the French countryside, combining comfort and sophistication for a cozy and welcoming home. Industrial home decor embraces a raw and urban aesthetic, drawing inspiration from factories and warehouses. So exposed brick, metal accents, and utilitarian elements define the style. Neutral tones such as grays and blacks really dominate the color palette. With a focus on functionality and yet minimalism, industrial decor combines rugged textures and sleek designs, which fuses to create a modern and edgy atmosphere. Mediterranean home decor exudes warmth and timeless beauty inspired by the coastal regions of southern Europe. Earthy tones such as terracotta and sandy beige really dominate the color palette. Rustic textures, wrought iron accents, and intricate tile work characterize the style. Archways and natural materials create an inviting atmosphere reminiscent of charming villas. This style is all about bringing a touch of old world charm to your space. Art Deco home decor is a chic and glamorous design style known for its bold geometric shapes, luxurious materials, and ornate details. So with streamlined furniture, vibrant colors, and opulent accessories, Art Deco creates a sophisticated and visually striking ambiance that captures the essence of the Roaring '20s. It's a timeless and elegant approach to interior design that adds a touch of glamour to any space. Now, Japandi home decor seamlessly blends Japanese minimalism with Scandinavian simplicity, creating a harmonious and serene atmosphere. Featuring clean lines, neutral tones, and natural materials, Japandi design focuses on functionality and elegance. The result is a tranquil space that combines the best of both worlds, promoting a sense of balance and calm. With a minimalist aesthetic enriched by warmth, Japandi style is perfect for those seeking a modern yet cozy living environment. Coastal home decor captures the relaxed and breezy ambiance of seaside living. Soft hues of blues and whites dominate the palette, reflecting the ocean and sky. Nautical elements like driftwood, seashells, and rope accents infuse a maritime charm. Light and airy fabrics coupled with natural materials contribute to an open and inviting atmosphere. With a focus on casual elegance, coastal decor brings the tranquil spirit of coastal living into your home, creating a refreshing retreat. Shabby chic home decor combines vintage charm with just a touch of casual elegance. Soft pastel colors, distressed furniture, and floral patterns define this style. The worn-in, lived-in look creates a cozy and welcoming atmosphere, while mismatched accessories add a little bit of a whimsical touch. Shabby chic embraces a romantic and nostalgic vibe, making it an ideal choice for those who seek a comfortable and relaxed home. Modern home decor is characterized by sleek lines, minimalistic design, and a focus on functionality. Neutral color palettes and open spaces create a clean but yet sophisticated atmosphere. Innovative materials and contemporary furnishings contribute to a timeless but still cutting-edge aesthetic. Embracing simplicity and a clutter-free environment, modern decor is perfect for those who appreciate a streamlined and chic living space. Minimalism home decor is characterized by simplicity and functionality, two keywords for this style. A clean aesthetic with neutral colors, uncluttered spaces, and only really the essential furniture pieces really helps to create a serene and calming environment. The focus on quality over quantity and the absence of excess ornamentation makes minimalism an ideal choice for those seeking a really calm but yet purposeful living space. This design philosophy promotes mindfulness and a sense of clarity. Maximalist home decor is a bold and vibrant style that really just lives in abundance and visual richness. Characterized by an eclectic mix of patterns, colors, and textures, this design approach embraces extravagance. From bold wallpapers to ornate furnishings, maximalism invites a fearless mix of elements. It's about self-expression, celebrating individuality, and creating a lively, bold, dynamic space that really captivates the eye. Maximalist decor is for those who love the idea of a more is definitely more mindset and desire a home that bursts with personality. Boho home decor is a free-spirited and eclectic style that celebrates individuality, not to be confused with eclectic home decor. Rich colors, layered textures, and global patterns create a vibrant and laid-back atmosphere. Mixing vintage finds with handmade elements, Boho style embraces a carefree and unconventional approach to design. Plants, woven textiles, and unique artifacts contribute to the bohemian charm, making it a perfect choice for those really seeking a relaxed but yet expressive home environment. Eclectic home decor is a celebration of diverse styles and personal taste, heavy on the personal. It creates a unique and visually captivating environment. Now, mixing and matching furniture, colors, and patterns, this style really embraces individuality and self-expression. The result is a curated and dynamic space where unexpected combinations come together harmoniously, reflecting the homeowner's personality and creativity. Eclectic decor allows for a playful and adventurous approach to design. Southwest home decor captures the essence of the American Southwest with its warm colors, earthy textures, and even tribal influences. Adobe-inspired tones like terracotta and turquoise dominate, complemented by rustic wooden elements. Native American patterns, woven textiles, and desert-inspired artwork contribute to the authenticity. With a focus on creating a cozy and inviting atmosphere, Southwest Decor infuses homes with a touch of rugged beauty, reflecting on the spirit of the vast desert landscapes and rich cultural heritage of the region. Traditional home decor exudes timeless elegance with its classic and refined aesthetic. Rich colors, intricate patterns, and antique-inspired furniture really define this style. Now, symmetry and attention to detail really create a sense of sophistication, while ornate accessories and textiles add a touch of opulence, luxuriousness. Traditional decor embraces a warm and inviting ambiance, making it a perfect choice for those who appreciate the enduring charm of well-established design elements. I personally feel like traditional home decor is the decor style that if you want to get it today and for it to still really be in style in 20 years, it's this one. Scandinavian home decor is a minimalist and functional design style that embraces simplicity and natural elements. With a very light color palette, clean lines, and a focus on light woods, Scandi style creates an airy and serene atmosphere. Cozy textiles and a lack of clutter contribute to a welcoming yet modern aesthetic, making it a popular choice for those seeking a calm but yet uncluttered living space. Thank you so much for watching, friends. Let me know down below in the comments section which style do you really resonate with the most. Now, if you want to see more videos, check out one of these featured here, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, friends.